Welcome! enVisionmath 2.0 now offers a new level of personalized learning through adaptive homework and practice powered by Knewton. This guided tour will provide a snapshot of teacher and student adaptive experiences with enVisionmath 2.0. Now, each lesson offers you two different homework and practice opportunities to choose from. The first is Practice Buddy, which gives all students the same experience with on-level homework for the lesson, and it also reflects the Students Edition. Now, Adaptive Homework and Practice powered by Knewton provides each student a unique homework experience that's personalized to their individual needs. Each adaptive assignment is crafted to fit a student's individual needs. Assigned tasks are connected to the lesson objectives and corresponding standards. And it might also include instruction and practice of prerequisite skills if a student has demonstrated that those might be beneficial. Tasks include practice and instruction in a variety of formats. Now, today we are going to take a look at two different students' paths through the Adaptive Homework and Practice powered by Knewton. Now we're going to have the opportunity to see the adaptivity through both Andy and Beth's lesson assignments. With Adaptive Homework and Practice powered by Knewton, no two assignments are the same because no two students are the same. Now we're going to take a look at Andy's individual session first. This unique adaptive set of tasks is created specifically for Andy's abilities, and it's based on her prior work throughout the year as well as her responses within this particular assignment. She works at an on-level pace, but she sometimes struggles to understand new concepts, and she demonstrates mastery with additional support. Now, these answers you're seeing are already plugged in, and this is just, they're already selected to demonstrate her potential path through the work. As she answers these questions correctly, you'll see her progress bar grow to indicate status toward completion. Now Andy is answering these incorrectly. Now based on those incorrect answers and previous information, it is determined that she needs additional help with 4 as a factor. So the visual learning animation is automatically shared with her to reinforce that concept.
How can you use doubles to multiply with 4? Think about this question during the lesson. Anna painted piggy banks to sell at the student art show. She painted one bank on each of the 7 days of the week for 4 weeks. How many piggy banks did Anna paint? What operation will you choose to find the number of elements in an array?
Now, based on these continued incorrect answers, it's determined
Welcome back. We're going to talk
that Andy needs additional instruction on 4 as a factor, and so she's now served up in another look video.
more about multiplication today. We'll look at 4 as a factor and how you can use what you know about 2's facts to help with 4's facts. First, let's use a tool we know very well, the array, to try to solve the problem 4 times 6. In this problem, we have 4 groups of 6. We could also say that we have 2 groups of 6 and 2 groups of 6. We do this.
Now, based on Andy's correct response here, it is determined that she has met the lesson objective and that she is ready to submit her work. Now we'll take a look at the different tasks and instructional support that's been provided to meet Beth's individual learning needs. Beth works at a below-level pace, and she frequently struggles with understanding concepts, but with continued support, she's able to demonstrate progress toward understanding. And this is what her path looks like. Beth's work throughout the year has indicated that she needs additional practice and instruction on prerequisite tasks. So Beth's work indicates that she really could use additional instruction on prerequisite concepts. So the visual learning animation that's automatically served up to her will revisit and reinforce these concepts.
How does an array show multiplication? We can learn how by using these swimming medals. Dana keeps her swimming medal collection in a display on the wall. The display has 4 rows. Each row has 5 medals. How many medals are in Dana's collection? The medals are in an array. How does an array show equal groups?
Now, based on Beth's work to this point, she continues to receive additional instruction on prerequisite concepts, and so she's now being served up in another look video on these prerequisites.
Today we're going to talk about using arrays to solve multiplication problems. What do you notice about this picture? Each row has the same number of circles, and each column has the same number of circles. When you have objects sorted in this way, it's called an array. Multiplication problems use equal groups, so arrays can help us solve them. Let's take a closer look. You picked a bunch.
Now, this sample that we've seen for Andy and Beth, they are highlights of some of the tasks a student might receive, but actual adaptive assignments will vary in length depending on the student's mastery of lesson contents. This concludes our walkthrough of enVisionmath 2.0 Adaptive Homework and Practice powered by Knewton. Thank you so much, and please check back soon for updates.